A woman and her nagging, grumpy husband went on a trip to Jerusalem. While they were there, the husband died. The undertaker told the wife, "I could ship your husband's body home to be buried, but it'll cost $10,000. Or instead, I could just bury him right here in the Holy Land for only $100. The wife thought about it for a while, and then she said, "No, I want you to ship his body back home." The undertaker was perplexed. "But that will cost you $10,000. Why not just do it here for $100? The wife replied, "I heard a man died here once. He was buried, and 3 days later he rose from the dead. I just can't take that chance." You're welcome. All right, so today we are at the farmhouse at the moment, and we are gonna head into Princess Auto to get a tiller. We are gonna till up a garden here. We wanna start planting. It's just about the right time where there's not gonna be any more frost, and our plants will be safe to be planted into the ground. So we need to till up the grass and create a garden. We're gonna plant tomatoes, onions, probably some beans, and pumpkin, because we love planting pumpkins, and they'll be ready for fall, and it's just so much fun for the kids. So let's head on over there, and after we get this garden done, we'll be back at the cabin working on the trim in the master bedroom.
All right, we're actually looking for a tiller today in Princess Auto. Luckily for us, they have one, and it's on sale. So we're gonna get this to try it out. We're gonna get a little garden going this year. Probably not a huge one, obviously, with the size of the tiller we're gonna get here, but going forward, it should do us well too. So, you know, gardeners, we're, you know, we are what we are. Okay?
Yeah, for sure.
So let's just grab this and roll out. Just an electric one, right?
Yeah, that'll be all right.
But it should be.
Yeah.
Because you're just going to be doing grass.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much just a small spot.
Yeah. Should be good.
Oh, it's worth a shot.
Hey! Hi, girls! Hi, girls! What you guys doing? You enjoying the shade? We just put this tarp over top of their cage there to give them some extra shade. Hi! Hi, ladies!
This is what we put on the floor, 1x4, nice along the bottom, and then we'll go with that other wainscot and stuff. Otherwise, I also need this to build up the window. I think we might have enough because we got an extra piece there too, so we'll see. We're just gonna get enough to definitely do it, and there'll be a little bit left of this too, so we're gonna get 5 8-footers. Then we'll do the floor, and then from there we can go up and do the rest of it, because you need that done first before we do the corners and all that.
Yeah. I don't even know what she's pushing. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Wham, right over there. Something's stone. You're doing yourself masonry.
What are you doing?
Now let's roll out. Let's go.
I'll get the gun.
Start here.
Yeah.
Oh, we need glasses.
Here.
Yeah.
Get your measuring tape. Oh, you're just gonna shove another whole one?
I'm just gonna put this corner piece in.
Oh.
I just want to see what this looks like, this black wall.
Oh. You're anxious.
That would stay there, it'd be great.
Want me to hold it? It's gonna look good. What are you missing? A pencil?
Hmm.
Here you go.
Well, hopefully that covers when we get in there. It's got quite a wang.
Want me to get another piece?
Quite a wang door.
Want me to get another piece to hold there?
No.
Oh, okay.
We'll just might at the worst case you put a corner in.
Oh, my lemon takes a lot.
Well, it's pretty. This is not high quality wood, so it's kind of what you end up with. I didn't.
Didn't take.
Go in the way. All right.
Are you going in the middle seam now?
Yeah. Where's that gonna land?
It's over. We're good.
All right. Yeah, we'll hide the joints behind there, I guess. All right.
How are we gonna know if
We
it's
should just
level?
grab a level.
Okay. Oops.
Obviously, way down.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just try to get
Tack
it.
it.
Just try to get it.
That's probably decent.
Here, I'll just stack it.
Try that.
How does that look on there?
Yeah. It's more than halfway one side, but
Better to be level though than it.
yeah. Looks good. I legit like it.
So do I.
Yeah. I knew it would look fine once the trim was done. I'll just wipe this stuff off, this whiteness, and if I need to add a little more paint, I will.
Yeah.
Here.
But it looks cool.
I
It could
know.
even be like a chalkboard. You could write on it.
You could write on it for sure.
Right?
I love
Sexy
it.
time. It's a bedroom.
Yeah. I love it. One black wall looks good.
I like it.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Now this little sawed off piece there and there.
Yep.
Yeah, there'll be some little skinny piece in there. Maybe you should try putting a little piece right there.
The bottom one?
Little tiny one in the corner there first.
Oh, yeah.
And then come to it. This here. Make sure this isn't gonna, oh, that's not gonna be affected. It's not a big space there. So we'll throw this
Little skinny guy.
little tiny thing here.
Yeah.
Trying to keep it square. I should have put something behind to build it out a tiny bit. We did that. It'll work though. It'll be fine. It's frig. It's nothing. It's
Yeah, it's hidden behind the door.
Yeah.
Now you need to measure a piece for the air.
Yeah. It's oh yeah. It's perfect like that. We'll put a. We have a doorstop.
Yeah.
It's a cabin. I like this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the look of it or working with it?
Both.
Yeah.
It's easy to work with. Well, with traditional trim, when you have the designs on them, you wouldn't be able to do the hard corner like that.
No.
Like a hard corner is irrelevant with this because even if you went on a 45 there, there's still that same line. There's no difference.
Yeah.
But if there was a design, you would have to do a 45.
Yeah.
Or this would be like it wouldn't line up right. But since it's just hard 1x4, it's just like ba-doom, ba-doom, it doesn't matter. That's like that's a tip. That just because trim normally would be 45, when it's straight lumber, it's irrelevant. So it's like the people with like, well, we always did decks that way. Well, yeah, and that's why the expansion ends up that big now. You don't actually have to do it. You can put it tight, it'll spread itself.
He's saving you guys time.
I know, I am a freaking genius guy. What?
Time and money. Wait, don't we run the trim there first?
Yeah, I was just checking this as soon as, like, I could do it to this, but I am gonna run the trim there, yeah. I think we should fit the one that, I think we should put this one there first. I don't think we should, I think we should put this one first.
Oh, okay. That's what I was thinking.
We've skilled sawed stuff like this though.
Really? That would be scary. So thin.
We used to skill saw everything though.
I guess before we had that.
It should be the same. They all end up being like 89 and a half.
Did you see how wide it has to be? Did you measure that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the same as that piece was I already did, so I kind of had it. The problem is you kind of want to like only go to there though, and then widen it, so it doesn't look weird here. It's a freaking weird way to do it. Or no, you go to here, right?
Right, and then have that trim to break it up, the top piece.
Like it's kind of scabbed together. This is not like how you would normally do this. This door should have been this way a bit.
Yeah.
When we did it, we kind of threw it there. That's what happens when you don't follow any plan. Just do it all yourself in your head and forget something.
Yeah.
In minus 25 the day you frame it up. Okay? So yeah, put it here.
Yeah.
I'll figure something out.
All right.
Oh, you can't hide that because this goes that way.
Whatever.
The thing, it's a really good cut.
Yeah, good thing.
It's actually decent. Watch yourself, bud.
Too many cords everywhere.
See what this gem looks like.
Oh, that looks great. Love it.
That looks fine.
Better than looking at insulation in there.
No, it looks actually perfectly fine. I wanted that wide up there, so.
Oh, that looks good.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm liking the look of it. Looks cool.
It does look pretty cool. I like it.
Yep. Not even touching. Y'all are seeing like vision come to reality. When it was just like half, painted, probably looked pretty stupid with all the cracks and stuff, and now it looks good. Pretty flat or a white guy.
Is this the same? Probably close. A little bigger. We'll need the level. Looks pretty freaking handy.
Cool.
And maybe you can line this up with that one lined up.
Do you want to try and hold this? I think it does, though.
Here, let me see the level.
Looks it from a distance. Cool.
Looks kind of cool, actually. I like it. I don't mind that at all.
Not one bit.
Yeah, I wanted to see the black wallet trim.
I know, right? Looks good. Good way to use up leftover material.